If the condition 1 is false, the statement 2 will be executed, and then to statement X. Otherwise, it continues to perform the second test. If the condition 2 is true, then statement 1 will be evaluated, and then sent to statement X. Let's talk about this with a simple example, shall we? Open a C#.NET 2005 Windows application. Here, we're having 3 text box controls for entering values for A, B, and C. In this example, we're going to find the greatest of the 3 numbers. Now then, double-click the button control to move to Code window. Add this coding and see the logic. Text box always returns a string value by default, so we have to convert it into an integer value. Here we have 3 integer variables, A, B, and C. And we're explicitly converting the text box 1.text into integer and assign it into the variable A. Similarly, we're converting text box 2 and text box 3 and assigning them to the variables B and C respectively. Here, we're using nested if condition to check the values. If the value of A is greater than B and C, then control will move to block 1 and execute the statement inside of it. Here, we're using logical operator called AND to combine the conditions. If any one of the conditions are false, it will not execute the statement within block 1 and move to another part. In else block, we're having separate if-else statement. Here, it will check the value of B and C. If the condition is false, control will move block 2 and execute the statement inside of it. Otherwise, control will move to block 3 and execute it. Well then, press F5 to run the application. Give 10 for the value of A, 5 for the value of B, and 12 for the value of C. Then press OK. It will display that C is greater than B and A. Now, then change the value of A and B and C and check the results. Now then it's displaying B is greater than A and C. Try it on your own and check the answer. Hopefully this gives you a little bit clearer picture of the concept of the nested if statement and its workings. Using nested if statements, we can check any number of conditions by adding more else if statements. Next, move on to the switch statement.